Hello friends, my name is Anil Singhania and you are watching my YouTube channel Easy Software. Friends, in this video I am just going to teach you a complete project with Python and SQL 3 database, and the project name is Student Management System. Friends, if you want to develop many projects on different languages like C, C++, Java, .NET, PHP, Android, then please subscribe my channel because I will give you the many projects with complete source code and explanation on many technology like C, C++, Java, .NET, PHP and many more. So in this video just I am going to teach you how you can create a project like a student management system, and in this video you will get the complete source code and I will do live practical in front of you how you can insert data into table and how you can display it into a GUI form and how you can delete this record and how you can search a particular student record. So let's open PyCharm. It will take some time to load and it's loading. Now it's loaded successfully. Now it's time to create a project, so click on file and here new project and you will get a screen like this. By clicking on this file icon we can select a directory in which we want to create our project. In my case it is G drive, so I will select G and OK. After the directory name we have to type a name for our project, so here I will type SMS, means Student Management System. One more thing we have to do, if in your case this radio button is checked, then please this radio button and click create and here this window. It will take some time to create this project into our system, so just wait. Now it's done. We can see that a project with SMS is created successfully in G drive into our system. Now it's time to create a Python file to code. So right click on project name and here new and here Python file. Okay, here we have to type a name for our Python file. In my case it is program. Okay, but it is not compulsory for you. You can type any name for your project and as well as Python file. After typing the name for Python file, press enter and as you can see that here a Python file with name program.py is created successfully. It's time to code. Friends, I have already coded for it, so just I will copy my code and I will paste it here. And you can get this complete code from my website, and my website link is given in the description area, and from there you can click on the given link and you can get the complete code of this project. Here I have explained each line of code with proper comment so that you can understand it in a very easy way. Still, if you have any problem to understand this code, then let me know by comment. I will fix it for you definitely. Friends, right now I am unable to explain this code because I am just busy to upload many projects with source code on my website, but believe me, in the upcoming video you will get the complete explanation of this type of project. So now it's time to run this project, so right click on coding section and here just click on run program. Now it's done. Here this is the dashboard of this project. Here we can register a student. For example, I'm just going to register a student and the name of a student is Rocky. Contact. Okay, email, for computer science. Okay, now just click on submit button and you will get a message like stored successfully, and here is the record. Now just I am going to register another student. I will reset and now I'm just going to register another student. Here I will take Raju. Contact. Okay, it's done. Now click on submit button and you can get the record here. Okay, now you can search the student record. For example, you have to search Raju. Okay, so I will write here Raju and just press search, and you can see that the record of Raju is present here. And we can also delete the record, so just click on view all and just select the record that you want to delete and click on the delete button. It will just ask a message that do you want to delete this record, and if you want to delete, then you have to click on this yes, and if you don't want to delete this record, then you have to click on no. Okay, and now you have to click on reset, and the reset button will clear all the form records. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this video or regarding this project, then let me know by comment. I will definitely fix it for you. And guys, I have created a website for you where you can learn C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, Android and many more languages free, and you can get a lot of project with source code. So just visit my website, and if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, because I will give you many project on many languages like C, C++, Java, .NET, PHP, Python. Currently I am working on Python, so just I am giving you the Python project, but in the next video you will get projects on Android, Java, C, C++ and many more languages. If you like my video, then please share it to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.